Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bill with Competition Cars, and now we're bringing this International Scout back to you, Midnight Star Edition, and we're going to go over the engine bay, interior, and rear hatch area. And I just want you to concentrate on just how nicely this thing has been restored. I don't see any expense spared anywhere on this one. Very clean, very detailed. It hasn't had much, if any, time on the road since it was restored. Maybe a couple short drives. I love this black and gold. It's such an attractive vehicle. Factory air conditioning. This engine out, all restored nicely. Look at that. A lot to love here. If you're a serious Scout collector, you got to pick this one up. That's all I'm saying. You have to. The inside smells literally new. Seats have all been redone. Original dash, no cracks in the dash. Air condition. AM/FM stereo with a CB. The CB is inside the glove box here. The little mechanism that you use to talk. All your stickers in place. There's your VIN tag. This reminds me of my 77 Trans Am I have with all the dash finished like that. The only thing that's got a little bit of patina is this steering wheel. They left the steering wheel alone. It's got some typical cracking in the rubber. I don't think that'd be too terrible to refinish, but for some reason they left that alone. For some reason, I don't know why. But everything else looks literally new. All the carpets, the rear seats. I love the louvers on the side. Headliner's perfect. Door cards, excellent. Again, no rust. We don't mess with rusty vehicles. Love the full-size matching wheel and tire. Sometimes those are missing altogether. Not with this one. All the jams look really clean and pristine. Laser straight body with beautiful paint. Look at that. A lot to love here. So again, if you're a Scout lover, this is the one. Bid all you can, get the numbers ready. It's going to do a good number. It deserves a good number. And if it doesn't get a good number, we're not going to sell it. But we are bringing it to sell, obviously. And I don't want to sound overly cocky or anything, but it's just a whole lot of nice vehicle here. And it will sell, obviously, for less than what it cost you to buy one and restore one to this level. So I just want you guys just to realize what this is, so you can be prepared to win it and put a good number on it. Any questions, please put them in the comment section. We're excited to show you more of this vehicle. The driving video will be coming up soon. We have an undercarriage video, we got an exterior video, and when it goes on Bring a Trailer, it will be live soon. I've got hundreds of pictures. We cover every inch, so you can see exactly what you're buying. We want our vehicles to meet or exceed your expectations. And don't forget, this is the Midnight Star Edition, which it's hard to find nice Scouts to begin with, let alone one like this with the Midnight Star restored to this level. So check it out. Have a good day. Thanks for looking.